Please do watch till the end of the video.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss word problems of the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. Please do watch till the end of the video. If you like my explanation, if you feel that you got some knowledge from this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. The first question is related to the age problem. Joy is 20 years younger than Becky. Here two persons are there, Becky and Joy. So let the present age of Becky be X and let the present age of Joy be Y. Now according to the first statement, Joy is 20 years younger than Becky. It means Becky is elder person and Joy is younger person. Now Joy is 20 years smaller in age than Becky. It means those two persons' age difference is 20 years. So, age difference is there means bigger person minus smaller person. Nothing but elder one minus smaller one. Ages gap is 20 years, right? So, the first equation we can make it as elder person's age minus younger person's age is equals to 20 years. This is equation number 1. Now moving to the second statement. In 2 years, after 2 years, Becky and Joy. Present age of Becky is X, then after 2 years he will be X plus 2. Present age of Joy is Y, then after 2 years he will be Y plus 2. Now coming to the statement then. In 2 years, once after writing this 2 years, you need to forget about the present ages. Okay, in 2 years, Becky will be. So here Becky's age is X plus 2, right? So X plus 2 equals twice as old as Joy. Twice means 2 into Joy's age is Y plus 2. Let us simplify this. X plus 2 equals 2 into y 2y plus 2 2s are 4. X as it is, bring 2y this side, it will be minus 2y equals 4 as it is, take 2 that side minus 2. X minus 2y equals 4 minus 2 is 2. This is equation number 2. Now let us try to solve these two equations by elimination method. So the first equation I am writing again here, x minus y equals 20, and the second equation is x minus 2y equals to 2. I am doing subtraction of both the equations. So here plus x becomes x, minus 2y becomes plus 2y, plus 2 becomes minus 2. X cancel. Minus y plus 2y is 1y, or simply y equals 20 minus 2, 18. So the y value we got as 18. Y is nothing but Joy's present age. So Joy's present age is 18 years. Now moving to the x value. Substitute this y value in any one of the equations. I am taking the first equation, that is x minus y equals 20. X is unknown still, minus y is 18 equals 20. Taking minus 18 to the right side, so x equals 20 minus 18 becomes plus 18. Then x value is 20 plus 18 is 38. X is nothing but Becky. Becky's present age is 38 years and Joy's present age is 18 years. Next question. Carmen is 12 years older or elder than David. Here two persons names are there, Carmen and David. Let the present age of Carmen be X. Let the present age of David be Y. Now, Carmen is 12 years elder, right? So it means Carmen is elder person and David is younger person. Carmen is 12 years elder than David. It means their age difference is 12, right? So, elder person's age minus younger person's age is 12. This is equation number 1. Then moving to the second statement, 5 years ago, 5 years back, Carmen age and David's age. Present age of Carmen is X, right? Then 5 years back it will be X minus 5. David's present age is Y, then 5 years back it will be Y minus 5. Okay, now once if you write this 5 years ago, we need to forget this present ages. Okay, 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. Let us do sum of these two ages. Carmen's age after 5 years is, 5 years back is X minus 5 plus David's age 5 years back is Y minus 5. The sum of these two is equals to 28. Let us simplify this. X plus y. Minus 5 is minus 10 equals 28. Taking minus 10 to the right side, so it will be x plus y equals 28 minus 10 becomes plus 10. X plus y equals 28 plus 10 is 38. This is equation number 2. Now let us try to solve both the equations. Here the first equation is x minus y equals 12 and the second equation is x plus y equals 38. I'm doing subtraction of both the equations. So plus x becomes minus, plus y becomes minus, plus 38 becomes minus. X cancel. Minus y minus 2y equals 12 minus 38 minus 26. Both sides negative cancel. So y equals 26 divided by 2. So the y value is 13. Now we got y value, right? So to get the x value, substitute this y value in any one of the equations. The first equation, if we take x minus y equals 12, x is unknown, minus y value we got as 13 equals 12. Taking minus 13 to the right side, so it will be x equals 12 plus 13, then x value is 25. So X is nothing but Carmen. So Carmen's present age is 25 years and David's present age is 13 years.
The next question is, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller one by 18 degrees, then find those angles. So here he is speaking about the supplementary angles. In supplementary angles, one will be definitely bigger angle, one will be smaller angle, because he is speaking about exceeding. So here, let the larger angle be x, let the smaller angle be y. Now here the question comes about the supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. So the first equation will be x plus y equals 180 degrees. Next, larger exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So exceeding means the difference of larger and smaller is 18 degrees. So larger is x minus smaller equals to 18 degrees. I'm doing addition. X plus x 2x plus y minus y cancel equals 180 plus 18 198. Taking 2 to the right side, so x equals 198 divided by 2, which is equals to 99 degrees. Now this 99 degrees I'm substituting in the first equation, that is x plus y equals 180 degrees. X value is 99 plus y equals 180 degrees. So y equals 180 plus 99 will become minus 99. So y equals 81 degrees. Okay, the next question comes with the same concept, but here instead of supplementary, the question is about complementary. So the larger of two complementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, then find those angles. Let the larger angle be x degrees. Let the smaller angle be y degrees. Now here the question is about complementary. So complementary means sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. So x plus y equals 90 degrees. This is equation number 1. Next, larger exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, right? So the difference of two angles is 18. So larger angle minus smaller angle is 18 degrees. I'm doing addition here. X plus x 2x plus y minus y cancel equals 90 plus 18 is 108 degrees. Taking 2 to the right side, x equals 108 divided by 2, x equals 54 degrees. Substituting this x value in any one of the equations, I'm taking the first equation, that is x plus y equals 90 degrees. X is 54 plus y equals 90 degrees. Taking 54 to the right side, then it will become subtraction. Y equals 90 minus 54. Y equals 36 degrees. So those two angles are 54 degrees and 36 degrees. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction becomes 1. It also becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. Then what is the numerator of the fraction? So here he is speaking about numerator and denominator, right? So let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Then the fraction will be x by y. Now according to the first statement, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, our original fraction is x by y. For that, numerator is adding 1 and from the denominator is subtracting 1. Then the fraction will be equals to 1. 1, I am writing it as 1 by 1. Doing cross multiplication, x plus 1 into y, x plus 1 equals y minus 1 into 1, y minus 1. Taking y to the left side, so it will be x as it is plus y becomes minus y equals minus 1 as it is. Taking plus 1 to the right side, then it becomes minus 1. So x minus y equals minus 2. This is equation number 1. Next, it also becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the denominator. Our fraction is x by y. Now here only 1 we are adding to the denominator, nothing is being added to the numerator. Then the fraction will be equals to 1 by 2. As usual, again cross multiplication, x into 2x equals y plus 1 into 1 is y plus 1. Taking y to the left side, 2x plus y becomes minus y equals 1. This is equation number 2. Let us solve both the equations now. The first equation is x minus y equals minus 2 and the second equation is 2x minus y equals 1. I'm doing subtraction of both the equations, so plus 2x becomes minus 2x, minus y becomes plus y, plus 1 becomes minus 1. X minus 2x minus x minus y plus y cancel equals minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, minus minus cancel, so the x value is 3. Now here in this question, he is not asking about the fraction, he is asking about the only numerator, right? So numerator we took as x, already x value we got as 3. Now in case if we ask about the fraction, means substitute this x value in any one of the equations, then we'll get the y value. So x and y we got, means numerator and denominator both we got, so that we can write the fraction. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Then find the fraction. Here, the same like the previous question. Let the numerator be x. Let the denominator be y. The fraction will become x divided by y. Now he is saying that 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. Our original fraction is x by y. Now he is adding 2. So x plus 2 and y plus 2. Then the fraction will be equals to 9 by 11. Doing cross multiplication, 11 into x plus 2 equals 9 into y plus 2. 11 into x, 11x plus 11 2s are 22 equals 9 into y, 9y plus 9 2s are 18. 11x as it is, taking 9y to the left side minus 9y. 18 as it is plus 22 right side minus 22. It will be 11x minus 9y equals 18 minus 22 is minus 4. This is equation number 1. Now moving to the second statement. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, then it becomes 5 by 6. The original fraction is x by y, right? Now we are adding 3 to both numerator and denominator. So x plus 3, y plus 3. Then the fraction will be equals to 5 by 6. So here also again same, doing cross multiplication. That is 6 into x plus 3. 6 into x plus 3 equals 5 into y plus 3. Simplifying this, 6 into x, 6x plus 6 3s are 18 equals 5 into y, 5y plus 5 3s are 15. 6x as it is plus 5y becomes minus 5y equals 15 plus 18 becomes minus 18. 6x minus 5y equals 15 minus 18 is minus 3. This is equation number 2. Now let us try to solve these two equations. One is 11x minus 9y equals minus 4 and the second equation is 6x minus 5y equals minus 3. I'm going to solve these two equations by elimination method. If you are perfect with substitution method, you can go with that also, no problem. Now, first equation x coefficient is 11, second equation x coefficient is 6. Both are different. First equation y coefficient is minus 9, second equation y coefficient is minus 5. Both are different again, so we cannot solve it directly. So for that, what I'm doing is, first equation I'm multiplying with second equation x coefficient. Second equation I'm multiplying with first equation x coefficient. So now it will be 11x into 6, 66x minus 9y into 6, 54y equals minus 4 into 6 minus 24. Second equation 6x into 11, 66x minus 5y into 11, 55y equals minus 3 into 11, minus 33. I'm doing subtraction, so this plus becomes minus, minus become plus, minus become plus. 66x minus 66x cancel. Minus 54y plus 55y, 1y or simply y equals minus 24 plus 33. It is 9. So the y value is 9. Now substituting this y value in any one of the equation, that you can substitute before multiplication or after multiplication, no problem. So I am taking the first equation, that is 11x minus 9y equals minus 4. 11x as it is minus 9 into y value is 9, which is equals minus 4. 11x minus 9, 9 is 81 equals minus 4. 11x equals minus 4 as it is minus 81 will become plus 81. 11x equals 81 minus 4 is 77. 11 ones are 11 sevens are, so the x value is 7. We got x value and y value. Now we can able to write the fraction. So fraction we took as x by y, right? So fraction we took as x by y, then x is nothing but 7 divided by y is 9. So the fraction is 7 by 9. Okay, next question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charges and charge for each extra day. So let us take the fixed charges as x rupees and charge for each extra day, let us take it as y. Okay, now let us try to write the equations for this. First one is, fixed charge is there for first 3 days. Okay, now Sarita paid 27 rupees. So 27 rupees equals to fixed charge will be there definitely x, that is plus. Now she kept the book for whole 7 days, right? From that, fixed charge is applicable for first 3 days. So from 7 days already 3 days were completed. Remaining is 4 days. So 4 you multiply with each day extra. So 4y. So first equation is 27 equals x plus 4y or x plus 4y equals 27. Moving to the second one then. While Susie paid 21 rupees. So 21 equals fixed charges compulsory plus she kept the book for 5 days. In that, fixed charges are applicable for 3 days, right? So out of 5 days, 3 days completed already, remaining at 2 days. So 2 days extra charges 2y. Now let us simplify this. I am doing subtraction. So plus 21 becomes minus 21, plus x becomes minus x, plus 2y becomes minus 2y. 27 minus 21 is 6 equals plus x minus x cancel. 4y minus 2y is 2y. Taking 2 to the left side. So y equals 6 by 2. So y equals 3. It means charge for each extra day is 3 rupees. Now substituting this y value in first equation, 27 equals x plus 4y. 27 equals x plus 4 into y value is 3. 27 equals x plus 4 3 is 12. Taking 12 to another side, 27 minus 12 equals x. 27 minus 12 is 15. So the x value is 15. X means fixed charges, right? So fixed charges for the first 3 days is 15 rupees and then thereafter she need to pay for 3 rupees extra. Moving to the next question. The taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge. The same kind of question only. So let the fixed charges be x and then extra charges will be y, together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105 rupees. So fixed charges are x plus extra charges are y, that is equals to, oh sorry, for a distance of 10 kilometers, right? 10 kilometers she traveled, so 10y it is. Fixed charges x and then she traveled 10 kilometers, right? So 10y, which is equals 105. This is equation number 1. Next, and for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155 rupees. Fixed charges x plus traveled 15 kilometers to 15y equals 155. I'm subtracting both the equations. So plus x becomes minus, plus 15y becomes minus 15y, plus 155 becomes minus 155. Plus x minus x cancel. 10y minus 15y is minus 5y equals 105 minus 155 is minus 50. Both the sides negative cancel, so 5y equals 50. Then y value is 50 by 5, which is 10. Next, substituting this y value in the first equation. So the first equation is x plus 10y equals 105. X plus 10 into y value is 10, which is equals 105. X plus 10 tens are 100 equals 105. Taking 100 to the right side, so it will become minus 100. 105 minus 100, so x equals to 5. So fixed charges are 5 rupees, and for every extra kilometer they need to pay 10 rupees. Question is, a boat goes 24 km upstream and 28 km downstream in 6 hours. So 6 hours equals to 24 km upstream plus 28 km downstream. If it is upstream, subtract. If it is downstream, do addition. So 24 km upstream, right, that is x minus y, and 28 km downstream, right, that is x plus y. Next, it goes 30 km upstream and 21 km downstream in 6 hours and 30 minutes. So 6 hours 30 minutes, I am writing it as 6 hours 30 minutes, which is equals to 30 km upstream, 30 by x minus y, plus 21 km downstream, 21 by x plus y. Here 6 hours is okay, but 30 minutes is in minutes, right? So let us convert these minutes to hours. 30 minutes means 1 by 2 hour. So total 6 hours and 1 by 2, 6 1 by 2 hours. 6 1 by 2. If we simplify this, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13 by 2 hours. It is completely. So 13 by 2 equals 30 by x minus y plus 21 by x plus y. Now, if we observe these two equations, here in the denominator x minus y is there, here also in the denominator x minus y is there. So, 1 by x minus y, I am taking some constant a. Next, here in the denominator x plus y is there, here also in the denominator x plus y is there. So 1 by x plus y, I am taking some other constant b. Then what our equations will be then? 6 equals 24a plus 28b, 13 by 2 equals 30a plus 21b. Let us write our equations again. Six equals 24a plus 28b. Second equation is 13 by 2 equals 30a plus 21b. Now here for a also, for b also, the coefficients are different, right? So we cannot simplify further. So what I will do is, I'll multiply the first equation by 5 and second equation by 4. So what will happen then? 6 into 5, 30 equals 24 5s are 120a plus 28 5s are 140b as it is. Now 13 by 2 into 4, right? So 13 by 2 into 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, we remains with 13 twos are, which is nothing but 26. So here 26 equals to 120a plus 21b into 4 is 84b. Now I am doing subtraction of these two. Minus, this is minus, this is minus. 30 minus 26 with 4, which is equals to 120a minus 120a cancel. 140 minus 84 is 10 minus 4 6, 13 minus 5, 8 is 5. So 56b. Now taking 56 to the left side, so our b value will be 4 divided by 56, which is equals to 4 ones are 4 14s are. So b value is 1 by 14. Let us substitute this b value in any one of the equations. So I am taking the first equation, that is 6 equals 24a plus 28b. 6 equals 24a plus 28b. Now b value we got 1 by 14, right? So let us substitute in this. 6 equals 24a plus 28 into 1 by 14. 6 equals 24a plus 14 ones are 14 twos are, that is 2. Taking 2 another side, 6 minus 2 equals 24a. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 equals 24a. Then a equals 4 by 24. So a value is 1 by 6. A value is 1 by 6 and b value is 1 by 14. In the beginning of the question, we took a value and b value to something else, right? So let us check that what is. A means we took it as 1 by x minus y and b means we took as 1 by x plus y. A is minus, b is positive. So here A we took as 1 by x minus y and b we took as 1 by x plus y. Now here a value we got as 1 by 6, right? So 1 by 6 equals 1 by x minus y. And b value we got as 1 by 14, right? So 1 by 14 equals 1 by x plus y. Here both the equations doing cross multiplication. Here 1 into x minus y is x minus y equals 6 ones are 6. This is equation number 1. 1 into x plus y is x plus y equals 14 times 1 is 14. Both the equations I am adding x plus x to x minus y plus y cancel equals 6 plus 14 is 20. So x equals to 20 by 2, that is 10. Substituting this in the first equation, x minus y equals to 6. X is 10 minus y equals to 6. Minus 1 to the right side and 6 to the left side. So 10 minus 6 is equals to y. Then the y value is 4. It means speed of the boat is 10 km per hour and speed of the water is 4 km per hour.